guys, today I'm finally going to straighten my hair. I usually straighten my hair in December, so it's pretty much like a tradition when I straighten my hair and I see like my length and stuff. So this is my hair. I just added the John Frieda Freeze Ease. Your hair is supposed to be wet when you apply it, so my hair is wet, and then now I'm going to add this heat protectant. My hands are freaking greasy now. So this is my hair. I'm gonna brush it out a little bit. Oh my gosh, I haven't brushed my hair with a brush like this in a while. So my hair is like, what the heck are you doing? I just want to make sure that it's all in like evenly. And then I'm going to blow dry my hair. I'm gonna add some more heat protectant just in case. Just in case. I want my hair to stay healthy. Okay, so now it's nice and detangled and all the heat protectant is in there. I'm going to blow dry my hair. I have this Conair blow dryer. It's going to be on warm, and I'm just going to blow dry my hair. I'm trying not to make this video long, and I know that I said I was going to look cute for my next videos, and it's been 3 videos now with me with no makeup, so. Alright, so I finished blow drying this section, and now I'm going to go to the other sections. I feel like, I don't know if I put a lot of serum in or it's a lot in my hands, but I can definitely feel the serum in it, but hopefully it'll help like prevent it from getting frizzy. But my hair has gotten long. That's so exciting. I definitely need a trim, so it's probably gonna be like, I don't know, we'll see what happens, because I'm going to get a trim on Sunday, so we'll see. But ooh la la. So I'm gonna blow dry the rest of my hair so this video won't be too long. So I'll be back when my whole head is blow drying. Why can't I say that? I can't say straighten, I can't say blow dried. So let me do that. Okay, so I finished blow drying my hair. This is what it looks like. Very cute. This could be like a perfect setup for like a twist out or whatever if you don't want to straighten it, but we're definitely going to straighten it. I guess my hair doesn't look that bad. I felt like it was gonna be super damaged, but we'll see when we straighten it. So I'm going to divide it, I guess, into 4 sections and then just straighten it section by section. Usually I do row by row, but I'm gonna try something different, very much something different. And then I'm gonna use my Red Pro straightener. I've had this straightener for years and years and years, but it works well. It gets the job done. It has a plate on top as well, so you can get like your edges. But if I can't get that, I do have a hot comb, so I can get my edges really, really well. So let me pin this one out of the way as well. And I'm gonna start off, obviously, with this section. I don't have to put heat protectant in because I already did that. And I'm gonna do like a small section like this big, and then we're gonna clip this out of the way, and we're gonna go row by row. This is the fun part. The fun part. Hopefully it won't take me too long. Right now it is 3:44, so we'll see what time it is when I finish. So I should make sure that it is detangled. And usually I would chase it with the comb, but I don't know, I'm still like, I'll do it for my second pass. So we're gonna slowly go down the strand of hair. And if you see it smoking, people are like, oh, it's the heat protectant. So hopefully that's the heat protectant, not my hair frying. Ooh, I may have to do only 1 pass, but I kind of want to do 2 passes. I'll do it with the comb though. but it looks good. Just so I know the ends are straight. Okay. My ends were very snaggy, so maybe that's why I do need a trim. But yeah, it looks good. I'm so excited. Very nice. Okay, I'm gonna continue straightening my hair. Okay, so I'm on my last piece and it is 4:58. So it took me about an hour, which is not terrible. So I'm excited to be done with this. So excited. And then I've been trimming my hair a little bit as I like straighten it, so I would just grab a little piece and just cut it off basically. That one was actually not bad. Okay, so I finally finished my hair. I literally feel like I have a tan mark on my forehead. Like, it looks so light in the camera, but this is my hair. I did trim it. I think I said that. I did trim it a little bit, but yeah, this is what it looks like. I don't think it grew any from last year. I can't remember. It definitely looks fuller than last year. I feel like last year it kind of looked thinner, so I mean, I guess that's a plus. But this is my hair. You can start seeing my gray hairs. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm starting to get gray hair. It is what it is. You can't stress, because if you stress, it's just gonna bring more. So yeah, this is my hair. Let me know what you guys think about it. If I could do anything better, let me know in the comment section. My forehead is metro booming, but I'm gonna do some makeup so I can finally look cute for you guys. I did get Fenty, so that'll be the next video. So I'm going to test out some Fenty products in my next video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I make a video. We are on the road to 13K by the end of the year. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. See ya.